Philippines present.
Congressman Michael Blanc. Can the Vice Chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede. We are also member with just the same answer your query or your manifestation. Then after that,
personally, it does not satisfy this representation. Thirdly, Madam Chair, how can you give that courtesy when Faki is absent in today's hearing, Madam Chair? I might change my vote for that, but
Was the President of the Philippines present?
Congressman Michael Blanc.
Please
I am
wait
about
to
to
be
be recognized,
recognized.
Madam Chair.
Please wait to be recognized. Please proceed, Kong Paduano.
you're not yet
30 seconds.
recognized, Marcoleta. Madam Chair, maybe I will change my vote if the for the motion Marcoleta if the Vice President is present in today's hearing. But he's absent. How can I personally vote for that? Because he's not present in today's hearing, Madam Chair, and that courtesy should be given to those head of office that should be present during the budget deliberation, Madam Chairman.
Members answer your query or your manifestation. Then after that,
Chairman na tinatanong ko, pira naman dapat. Pero sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
we don't have the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede salita? Dahil alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Dahil alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the Vice Chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede.
Pinag-uusapan natin ng chairman ang sasagot.
No. Not only the chairman.
Ba't nagsasalita ng ganyan?